This video is a slowed down, step-by-step version of my viral short, How to Draw an Invisible Hand. Let's get drawing this invisible hand, but first we'll talk about the materials needed. We have a pencil. This is just a regular HB or number 2 pencil. It's not too hard, it's not too soft, and you can easily erase it. So that'll be perfect. This is a blending stump. It's used for smudging or blending pencil. And if you don't have one, don't worry about it. You can buy them at any art store or on Amazon. They're fairly inexpensive. But if you don't have one, you can use a cotton swab, Q-tip kind of thing. Or you can use some tissue paper, anything that will smudge graphite. You'll need an eraser. And if you have one, you can use a smaller eraser like this Tombow Mono Zero, but you don't need that one for sure. And you'll need a ruler or a straight edge. Okay, slap your hand down on the page, and with your other hand, or I guess you could get somebody else to do this for you, very carefully trace around your thumb and all of your fingers. You do want some separation in your fingers to make this illusion real. Spread your fingers apart just slightly, and then you're going to go around all the fingers carefully and slowly until your entire hand is traced all the way to your wrist. Actually, you want a little bit of the wrist there too. If your hand looks a little off, make your corrections at this point. It'll be much harder to make corrections after the fact. Okay, now let's do the lines. Grab your straight edge ruler, and you're going to make horizontal lines with even spacing. Now, it doesn't really matter what the spacing is. I'm using 1 centimeter spacing, but you can use 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch or 1 centimeter or 2 centimeters. It's up to you. I think 1 centimeter works fairly well. Draw your horizontal lines. You want them dark enough so that you can see them, but not so dark that you can't erase them. And the reason is that you are going to have to erase all of the lines inside that hand silhouette. And just keep working your way down. All right, we're ready to move on to the next step now. With your eraser, erase all of the lines inside the hand silhouette. And it's okay if you erase some of the hand line. You are going to end up erasing that anyway. Try to be careful not to rip your paper or crinkle it. If you do inadvertently end up wrinkling your paper, it can destroy the illusion. So you want to hold the paper down with your other hand as you're erasing and really try to do a careful job. Erase all those lines inside the hand. And now we're on to the most important step, and that is drawing these bumpy lines. So the idea is that these bumps help you create a 3D illusion. So everywhere you have a line, you're going to go up, across, and back down. Up, across, and back down in these little arches. And the height of the arches should mimic the height of your hand. Just cover the whole hand, including all of the fingers. Keep making those arches. The knuckles can be a little tricky, so take your time. Okay, now grab your eraser, or your little eraser, and erase the edge, that hand line that you drew. This will really help to sell the illusion of that invisible hand. Now with that erased, you can grab your pencil and clean up any lines that you accidentally erased. And then we're ready for shading. Grab your pencil, and with the side of your pencil, not the tip, but the side of your pencil, very, very lightly shade the left side of the thumb and the fingers. Now get your blending stick or your cotton swab and blend that in. Now you're going to do the same thing on the right side. Very, very lightly, using the side of your pencil, shade the thumb, the right side of the fingers, and the side of the hand. And then again, with your blending stick, blend that all in. And as a last step, you can blend some of the interior of the hand. Thank you very much for following along. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. And if you do want to support the channel, I'd be happy for you to subscribe to the channel, like and comment and share the video, whatever you feel comfortable with. And I will leave you with that. Have a wonderful creative week.